What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for checking out my content. I really do appreciate it. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about making your first $10,000 on the internet. So if you're an absolute beginner and you want to learn the best ways to actually start making some money online, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it in this video. Welcome back. Thank you so much for sticking on this video. I really do appreciate it. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Kirk Buchanan, and on this channel I teach people how to build a business on the internet. So if you want to learn exactly how you can build a business online, then make sure you get subscribed to my channel, because I've been putting out a lot of great value and I will continue to put out a lot of great content to teach you exactly how to do it. I've been running my own internet-based businesses for over 2 years now, where I've been doing dropshipping, I've been doing affiliate marketing, and I've been building my personal brand on YouTube. So once again, if you want to learn directly from me, make sure you click the red button below this video and get subscribed. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 ways that you can make your first $10,000 on the internet. So let me not waste any more time and dive right into it. Okay guys, so there are multiple different ways that you could make $10,000 online right now in 2018 going into 2019, but I wanted to make this video very beginner friendly, and that is why I came up with these 5 ways that I'm going to be talking to you about right now. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be giving you 8 different ideas that you can use to get to your first 10K, because I'm going to be adding 3 honorable mentions at the end of this presentation. Alright, so each of these methods is going to require you to be very consistent, to be persistent, and you have to have the right mindset that you are going to be paid based on the effort you put in. So it's not easy. What you put into any of these ideas is what you are going to get out of these ideas to get to your first $10,000 online. Idea number 1 is to start freelancing. It's the most obvious choice. Most people have a skill that they can monetize, and that is why freelancing is the best and easiest way to actually get to your first $10,000 online. Let's say, for example, you knew how to do graphic design. You could start doing graphic design and start freelancing to start making some money on that. You could do web design. You could do voiceovers. If you know how to write, you could write. If you know how to sing, you could sing. There are so many different things that you could do as a freelancer to start making money. So remember now, guys, the goal is to get your first 10K online. Alright, so in this case, what you'd have to do is to create your online profile. So you may need to create a website. You may need to build out a social media page, and I highly recommend you set up a profile on Fiverr. Alright, so Fiverr is a great place for freelancers. You can sell your services on Fiverr. Fiverr gets a lot of traffic, and from that you can benefit and sell a lot of your services on Fiverr as well. Alright, so let's say you were doing graphic design and you were charging $20 per gig, whatever that gig is, then you'd need to sell 500 gigs to get to 10K online. Alright, so it's not easy to sell 500 gigs as a beginner. So of course, you will be required to put a lot of time and effort into marketing yourself to put yourself in front of clients so that you could actually get to that 500 gig number to get to your first $10,000 on the internet. The second way that I want to talk to you guys about that you can use to actually make your first 10K online is eBay dropshipping. And eBay dropshipping is something that I talk a lot about on my YouTube channel. So I'm not going to be spending a lot of time explaining exactly what eBay dropshipping is right now, but just to give you an overview, eBay dropshipping is just a business model where you can sell physical products on eBay that you don't have to spend money buying inventory. I have a lot of free training videos, and I'm going to leave a link to one in the video description for you guys who want to learn about eBay dropshipping. Also, there's a course in the video description, awesome course about eBay dropshipping as well. So the goal is to make 10K once again online. Alright, so let's say you're dropshipping on eBay and the average selling price of the products you're selling is $75. It's highly likely that from those selling prices, you'll be making about $10 in profit. So let's assume that you're making 10 sales per day, then it's going to take you about 3.5 months to 4 months to get to your first $10,000 online. And that is how eBay dropshipping basically stacks up. So if you're considering eBay dropshipping, it's a great option, but do bear in mind that it's not a get rich quick scheme. So it's going to require you to spend some time and to put some effort into it to actually get to your first $10,000 on the internet. Third method is to actually start a YouTube channel. So this is highly recommended as as well. I've spoken about starting a YouTube channel before, and YouTube is a great way to actually get your business in front of a lot of people. It's the second largest search engine in the world, and that is why YouTube is great. So if you're planning to start a YouTube channel, there are multiple ways that you could monetize a YouTube channel to get to your first $10,000 on the internet. All right, so of course, you have to know exactly how to approach YouTube as a business for you to be able to get to that 10K number at a relatively fast pace. All right, so of course, make sure that you pick a niche, and pick a niche that you're passionate about. You have to stick to your niche. So every piece of content you upload to your YouTube channel have to be niche specific. All right, so if you guys want to learn more about how to actually grow a YouTube channel, I have a link to a video in the description as well, where I've outlined, or I've actually grown my channel to over 10K in about 6 months. So if you guys want to learn exactly how to grow a YouTube channel, highly recommended that you check out that video and follow exactly what it tells you to do. So the goal once again is to make $10,000, right? Let's assume that you uploaded a video to YouTube every single day for 3 months, Monday to Friday. So that would be 60 videos uploaded to YouTube. It's highly likely that you would hit about 1,000 subscribers after your first 3 months if you're uploading good quality content consistently. With 1,000 subscribers, you could start recommending affiliate products. Even with 1 subscriber, you can start recommending affiliate products. So let's say, for example, you were doing a YouTube channel about cycling or fishing. What you could do is actually find a fishing course that you could actually promote as an affiliate. Let's assume that that fishing course is selling for $100 and you're making about a 50% commission. Then you'd be making $50 per sale from promoting that affiliate course. So to get to your first 10K, you'd just be required to sell 200 of those affiliate courses. And that is how you can actually get to your first 10K online with a YouTube channel. The next method I want to share with you is to start selling on Amazon. All right, so selling on Amazon is going to require you to have some startup capital. All right, so for you guys who have some money to invest, selling on Amazon may be a good idea for you guys. So there are some steps you're going to have to take before you can actually start selling on Amazon. You have to get your business registered. You have to get a bank account. You have to find products to sell. So you may have to go to Alibaba to find some products that you can actually import and sell. You may want to private label your products and get them prepped and sent directly to Amazon's warehouse. All right, so that's going to require you to have some money. So let's say, for example, you have $2,000 that you could invest into Amazon FBA. You could import 200 units from Alibaba, and you could resell these units for about $40 per item. Let's assume that you're making $20 profit per sale. Then you'd need to sell 500 units to get to your first $10,000 online with Amazon FBA. All right, so as you can see, Amazon FBA does require you to have some startup, and you may have to rinse and repeat that money to actually get to your first 10K online. So once again, it's going to require you to put some time, effort, and to be consistent and persistent with your business to get to your first $10,000 on the internet. So as you can see so far, guys, none of these methods are easy. None of them are get rich quick schemes. You have to work, and that is the nature of the internet. If there is anyone telling you anything different, it's more than likely a scam. All right, so finally on this list, before I get into my honorable mentions, is to talk about becoming an Instagram influencer. So Instagram influencer is a good business, and it's a real business. There are so many different influencers who are making 6 figures per month being an Instagram influencer. So once again, just as with starting a YouTube channel, with building a following on Instagram, you have to pick a niche. You have to be very passionate about it. Stick to your niche and learn exactly how to grow your following on Instagram. There are a number of different tutorials that you could watch to learn different tips and tricks on how to scale and grow an Instagram following if you want to be an influencer. All right, so grow a following to about 5,000 followers, and then you can start selling shout outs. You could start promoting affiliate products. Let's assume that you're doing a combination of both. Then you would have to do about 250 shout outs if you're selling a shout out for about $20, and sell about 200 affiliate products to get your first $10,000 as an Instagram influencer. So of course, these numbers are arbitrary numbers. These are not set in stone. Your rates could be different your affiliate commissions could be different, but it's just to give you guys the idea behind actually making your first $10,000 on the internet. All right, so that's the presentation, but now into the honorable mentions that I want to talk to you guys about. The first honorable mention would be to start a blog. So you could start blogging on WordPress. You could build an audience around your blog, start a newsletter, and actually start selling advertising space on your blog once you start building up that audience and start making money from that. Second honorable mention would be to start a social media marketing agency, which is pretty easy to start once again, but you would need to have some startup capital to actually start a social media marketing agency. And to make money from a social media marketing agency, you have to go out and get a lot of clients for that to start making decent money from that. And you could actually use that to make your first $10,000 online as well. And finally, honorable mention number 3 would be to sell photography online. Once again, if you don't already have a good camera, a good DSLR, then you may have to invest some money into buying a good camera with some good lenses and start taking good photography to sell on the internet. And that is a great way to actually get to your first $10,000 online as well. All right, guys, so there you have it. I've just given you 8 different ways that you can start your journey to making your first $10,000 online. Really do hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, let me know by dropping a like on the video. If you have any questions or maybe you just want to say thank you so much, leave them in the comments. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm always putting out a lot of great value content to teach you exactly how to start and build a business on the internet. With that said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.